it's a hot one.
That was a multiple one.
Any more? Oh, here comes one.
Still, they're just lining them up with flares.
Oh!
Oh, snap!
Awesome.
God bless America.
Woo! Awesome.
That was lit. That was lit. Oh, that's so cool.
Whoa. Oh! Oh my goodness, that's... Wow.
Yeah.
Whoa, doggy. Woo!
Beautiful.
That's awesome.
Oh, yeah.
You do realize I'm recording this for YouTube?
Hey, record it for me too.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Awesome.
That was lit. That one hit blue. Oh, it's falling stars.
Whoa.
That was so pretty.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Oh, that one went a little close there.
That was lit. Oh man, my neck is starting to hurt a little bit. Hey, watch out where you swing that thing.
Whoa.
Lion, watch out where you swing
Whoa.
that thing.
Trying to put it in my pocket so I can record.
Here, I got it. How about just put it like right inside?
Oh my God.
Yeah, I
Whoa.
want the blue one. Hey, Mom. When are they gonna do the squirrel children or the crying children? I want to do that one. Get the
Whoa.
pretty.
Whoa, man.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Whoa. Oh. Out of the triple.
Yeah, that was lit.
Oh, wow, this is pretty cool.
Yeah, I know, right? Hey, let me play.
Oh, crap! Give me that stick. Or should I say my flag? I'm not.
This is the best day ever. Oh, yeah, son.
Oh! That's pretty cool.
What? Sit on the bed.
Shoot some more. Uh-oh, here comes a big one. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Oh, wow. Here he comes. Oh. Wow. That's awesome. Oh. That was awesome. Whoa. Oh, I see some blue in there. Some sparklies. Any more? Oh. Oh, smokes. That filled up the whole entire screen there. Oh, wow. That's a stampede right there. Whoa.
Do you know what my mommy told me?
What is it?
My mommy told me that they use fireworks out of guns.
Oh, what?
But they actually use fireworks out of guns. Mommy told me.
Wow. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh. Got a red one. God bless America right here.
Oh, I remember you were here before.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, it's cool. Oh, I saw a spark of blue. Oh, got some redness. Nice. Got some gold too. Oh, some green.
I love green.
Oh, I got some pink.
I even love green.
Some more pink. With some sparkles. Oh, red and green. Christmas colors, I see.
How are these people so used to the freaking sound?
Oh, wow. Whoa! A big green one. Oh, here comes red. Whoa. A lot of gold. Whoa, horsey. That's cool, I have to tell you. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Boom. Don't worry. Wow. Awesome. Woo! Celebrate early Independence Day, people. From yours truly. Whoa. Oh, nice. That's awesome. Right there. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, whoa, some orange in there. From Darth Lion, happy Independence Day. Or should I say happy early Independence Day. Here I am at Morningside Park watching the fireworks. They're outstanding. Whoa. Wow. Whoa. Wow, nice. Oh, got some, red velvet in there. There's some green. Whoa. Oh, that one was like a star. I like that one. That's awesome. Nice. Whoa.
Watch him, don't hide.
Yeah, hi, come on.
Whoa. Oh, nice. Whoa. Oh. Nice. We got some cool fireworks here. Oh, especially that one. We got some patriotic music in the background here. Whoa. was a big spark right there. Whoa. That went close to the screen. Awesome.
It's not done yet, right?
Nope. I honestly don't know. Wow. Whoop, that was multiple. Alright then. Whoa!
What?
Wow, nice. Oh, that was kind of like a star too. Whoa! That was nice. Whoa! Wow. Got some green. Whoa, to red. Wow, nice. Whoa. Oh. Yeah, man. Oh. Nice. Whoa, yeah.
That was the best one.
Oh, man.
Maybe they put like the screaming.
Whoa, I saw some blue there. And some green and red.
Wow!
Wow. using awesome fireworks right now. Hey, is this the grand finale? Oh, this right here, what you're seeing, my fellow YouTubers, is the grand finale of these fireworks. Yeah, boy! It's almost over. They're doing the grand finale right now.
She's saying it's not even close to the old.
Oh, this is the grand finale right here. Look at all these fireworks! Look at all these fireworks, man! Jesus! Awesome! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, here they come! Here comes some more! Woo! Go America! Yeah, boy! Go America! Yeah!
God bless America!
Awesome night, man!
How long have you been recording that for?
That is what we call
The
a great Independence Day right here.
That was freaking awesome!
Oh yeah, we did.
Send it to me if you can. My freaking phone died. God damn it.
Oh, I'm posting it on YouTube, so it won't matter.
Send it to me, and send it to me. Send it to me, and
even
send
know
it.
Oh, it's not over yet. Well,
I didn't even know you were YouTube
Wow.
thing.
huh?
Darth Lion.
Yeah.
Was it?
Darth
Yep.
Lion. He loves Darth Vader. So
Darth
Darth
Vader.
Lion. Darth Vader.
Woo!
That was freaking.
Yeah.
High.
Awesome.
Too high.
Awesome fireworks, man.
High.
Go America, you rock!
Too high.
Come inside.
Go USA!
Come on.
That's awesome.
We'll see you all Sunday.
Happy early Independence Day to my fellow YouTubers.
Upstate New York. You can go
Would you like to be in the video?
Yeah.
There you are, you're on camera. You're YouTube famous.
Wait, it's too dark.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, it's too dark. Put the flash on if you can.
Hold on a second, let me see if I can.
Hold on a minute.
As soon as my phone's not charging, I'm gonna look up that Darth Vader.
No, Darth Lion.
Darth
Yeah.
Lion?
Darth Lion.
Okay, come on, go ahead.
Alright.
Hey, how about this? How about this? Is that better? Better light?
Yeah. Can you see me? Oh.
There you go. There you go.
There you go, yeah.
Now you're on air. Now
Yeah.
you're on air.
Go USA!
God
You-
bless America, man.
You rock!
Hey, get me into this one. Get me into this.
Right here.
God bless America, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, boy! Let's go! God bless America!
God bless America, bro. Can I say my Indian flag? No.
God bless America to my
Can I
fellow
say my
YouTubers. Happy early Independence
Can I
Day.
say my early to everybody? Can
Yeah.
I say my on the back?
Yep. We are going to. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that moon shining right there.
Can I say something?
Sure. You want to say something to the
Yes.
camera?
Hey, everybody. Happy early Independence Day. God bless America. Hey, Wyatt's mom. I love you. Day, the best.
Awesome. What an awesome night, I have to say.
It's really awesome. Yeah. Come on.
God bless America.
God bless America, fellas. I want to slip my line in the back. No, I want to. No, the lion won't let me. How about this? How about this?
Happy early Independence Day, everybody.
Come on.
The video for the real Independence Day fireworks will be coming very soon. I promise
And
you
guess
all.
what? And guess what? You're joining us on that one.
Yep, we are. So stay tuned, everybody. God bless America. Happy early Independence Day to you all.